wat go hiic na seanslaí mas bhaid seans a ghlaciad na seanslaí tama an seo well is much human ar dúspóir ní an fiú Ainm a red sorry tá bell lein de salam agus vinegar in é takeaway all war ach ní hééis sin rud is táhachttaí a rud is táhachttaí ná which basically are no kosher knowledge like jearing my head tá an seo Timid seo sa fearr heel Timid seo sa studio in ngáileh ar dúspóir tá seo le Ainne Ainne go dtí mar táú
Bíontas ásta sílam gcónaí go bhíon na híhinnta tafa just fearr agunir támuid is seomháin le chéile agus go háirthe nuair támuid is studio, radio, rira in ars na ggéil an gáiliú. Agus síim gur rud suirta blion tú leis seonis gúil ar tradiisiúnta sé agan go dagantá sa síos leis an tafad nóla gúlaíanana le chéile. Cé go speisialtas tá sin?
Sinné mo bronta na snálaigh go an seo dhéanú agus a cant fhí specialta Tá an seo fásta le James ó Fláirte. James, go dtí mar táú?
Go yeah, shouldn't actually count the intro to get them off from all the business.
Well,
bro, do something too, okay? No, give them Carolum like ní Hugh McGilly Cara, but kill them Carolum.
Brian Shake Jamer doing doing locking too special to.
Yeah. Ach, Ruth is my girl now. She answered Nology, so the whole just kind of a happy out like.
She and fucking Nology, mar a jarter and Shanachel.
Shanachel, Keense.
Mar nish Shans go walkishiv. Archie Costa go much hard launcher hella or Instagram actually. Archie Costa go much railish and Argadriva Togal Hig and Ked level ella. Shans go walkishiv and photoshoot chance. And you're on the much haar and see a club corner in the Gaelia. That thing being a row and on a amshu on the picture. Sin an ethaine bíon muid le feicáil leis an airing ré shout out mór the Earl a bhíonn sin Earl Leishavari right a job Den Sky my own D4 Dolly and lad bug a bhíon an codú linn Jared mór bhhuaí sibh a score an camera like if it fell like you know like pictory proficient to don the Seansálaithe was it a bit like Jada got colour in seo or
Sínam go méid just ionta excited le picture profisiúd a ógain ar deirú mata na grafcií. Feiclú daoine ar na blianta tasca go muid. Picture go bhg srínta ó héh an táhair tógain.
What?
You know, a couple of selfie groir nu sa ar na blianta agus.
What?
You know, it's just jazz go cuma or in go liscoin go dé tar siúil ógain inis, you know.
Comma, sin an rud is tábhachtaí, yeah.
Curbéim ar nach sin.
James, this is a girl cost like Babe Morris cart. You were well. The fade was fading.
Yeah, like we must he's richocht 3 kilometer rive. Home I get shoot and me all go my he's it's in a aglo la Kenia. He's a Google. He ma phodchraoladh. Let's build a Z grow top navy or so not what on tad ekel. I go phodchraoladh. I just we ma shoved was kin the was core camera chin. Agus. Hold actually at a short it's spin ashtoch agus yeah so in the line he's fjord to my awkward Jesus my cousin rian bull in a China shop but in was scoring camera we my oh jeez we my foot fad na hot
nie much honey flay nie much on Walker na Academy Jantic James Ernst Reg or Whiteis are good slancha hen or Whiteis are good sleeve baha hen or Whiteis are good you know or and chance and sealed from Gary of Ogging the seal like near muscular cane for a row to ho Fachi says and Fakula do such things
fashion no do an hard launch sin tú sé. Tá súm go vecadíine gon hard launch gon phodchraoladh tá mar dús man 8 chagate. Cheaptíine go me dáta le Ainm. So like people brand on Instagram agus brand dí tá le.
Hard launch den truffle tá muné e adwaller deir tá sé ifagúil is truffle which nádin brownness.
It's mission fjord.
Jesus Christ. Is Astor a Killian? Should I do Killian la Liblian le be more Astor?
That will arguably all going to with church and urge and argue the Killian.
Yeah, exactly. Because Ashton sag after it. You know, but should have found that Rocha or in pod la like me and should more be shy genuine style clish the Astor yella. Níor muid nó é amsú ach bhí muid áing go fáil bhí se an delí le obair dhéanú ach so Sraith nua Ainm nua Question mark?
Ainm question mark indeed. So mata the social network rú feici ag don bhí. An cóirlas fearr ein Mark Zuckerberg rú ná drop the. So a seo amach is muid
Colin Drumsit sin.
Seansálaithe!
It's an Ainm chéanna agus
agus má tú gan cansfuing in a plural sense bé no seansalaithe.
Flocky muid leis tá sin go bra ach fochainn pod is na Seansálaithe tá grafciú argain look umlan uair snasta tá muid a garc níos fearr ná riú so gur na socials as bíigi tuair go leor likes mar tá go leor I bre chuirthe agan le fáil ag an áitseo.
féidir rud amháin adhil dó agus tá se le an rud amháin gur féidir am arcan tá picturí sin class, right? Tá sé gáanta ach could be rud a Harley. This also is a date
These all get to go.
Just like him a smile. And rud a Harley though was could be rud the spot all war jarg what y'all?
Oh, ní.
Agus is a feke or le picture. Agus Arkansas size castle like better like the tiniest techie none of the immersion window kind of just a ranch on it ní héisian a road a Harla I have not felt the touch of a no be spot over agus just hang shama and lesson agus ní ro spot one le blianti o vi mar Jaeger and then vis igen universe groma honna ver camera
Scarlet for you
Scarlet am one shin and Davier. Do you know? Bearnition an outfit droppy and le tiispan the kinnet script must mind like glaces us from the Seansálaithe.
Ihe cats or costume ihe hauna. Ken Jane Doyle le glace coslish and Seansálaithe.
I mean, Tassum Hain, Dusa, I'd say there were the glaces more Misha, which are really fussily, just like speckly at Amaji and then a football jersey, Gishinta selection and Doita
Shakish, scarf, Erin soccer Shanahanin, Latu, Smiley Clea,
Bohemians,
Nabos, because, Bajor pair of Jordans, Matashi with Moho Funky, because Guinness Zero and the Laws that they're raiding here. Yeah.
Kind of chance go you my like Guinness Zero tattoo, you know, like a wine thing like in tiny pint glass or like better you mission with kind of but just karma zero books a liar.
Was that tá fair means my gamers AFL agus is as sheer bell samsa agus héis cholle cluthe was ste tailors agus in tailors cocktails so it's einfach pitcher go cocktail a lich mega pointed. So, what I got hard choléiche leis mega pointer. €40 per mega point, but let me mind you, right? So, what the 3 ige. So, what I call major
3.
Oh yeah, what I who's go home. We shall Amazon like we must like all free.
James just go shiffy nish as a hirsch.
We should two
came at your boy and all hand shower fuck.
Like you fuck with a tell new please, yeah. But first a tattoo go mega point. A bicep agus bín se ná a bheith flexán agus licinn sé réon go a ggóil make it fight. An lás cin a bhí éad an Hugh ar muláh mis a pógam a bicep bín session a ggóil as a bicep leis an mega point.
Jane ceanna bhaíocht dosa de machar tattoo de jochail.
Go joch? Ní sá ní an tattoo.
Bet just the keep cup rain though, shouldn't
Coffee cup rain on the belt.
Oh yeah, totally.
An chraic.
Oh, Malibu's Áine.
Yeah.
Oh, Jesus. Well, diaper sin a hábhil question because like being just doing one bug atá was that laughing to Guinness. So what's another double what's another it's just Pinta Guinness on but really it's like chraic lad.
The girls who get it.
Yeah.
She can go out and she just Glendivina. She will come a sort of classy or
Connemara or Malibu's Banya.
No, Glendivina.
Oh, okay. I was like, come classy.
I've heard all an áit an tílé na clúdú mo harp mé all go má ball na chin. So go was that an Banya ball because my arm like mo lava to ma kinning salo like so my tan so unter stache was that I don't know like Fuschke was a Fuschke so sauer because
Siú gur ceart is tramp stampáid ná burfa.
Oh, yeah.
No,
I think
ní cheap been good.
Yeah. I think it's really just.
Is minic úr a líocht ní tramper agus rudí níos measa, so ní has an data reminder when sus go ceann mé le.
Kind of Cashachar Arts James. I think like shot. No. Ní hé rud ácha seo, right? Riv gynnearna majigin photoshoot. I just mohim say good kin janta agus a rivet and like photoshoot janta. What kin janta agus a Rio James?
No.
Shouldn't Kether a VR to be like
photoshoot card like it's all about me like
yeah
100% yeah.
Shouldn't Kether a Rio?
Shouldn't Kether do so come on?
Hey.
Yeah.
How much is janta agus?
Well, we scum go kin janta agus a hada.
All right, okay.
Hugh Ray leis na pose like I swear Kendall Jenner vi she's a tromer like just honey shine camera as we shall read vi pauschal vi shall lower na croma nege vi to Ray.
See vi samse kechile on Shastu was like smiley and the meal Okadi was I being camera door again is and that looked I got picked a whole with that thing like ring my shin I chin there do is early but good in the poses you might like I have a need I smile
like a Superman
peace agus we might like it's in the really weird chin agus like
Hossie but Jenny basically like Zoolander where it was like make me want you now make me hate you like Gary to L Ray. Ní garanta Instagram also chat was carta hap me do like rud éigen chat ella on girl like I know rud leis scal and really had like colact ella or like comortas no they shouldn't grow art.
I mean Cosla James beidir go picture glocky a camera door professionta and shows and shoot that ní real photo shoot mar sinna gum girl just miss us cos corn camera as tusa cooling camera cosla Chris Jenner a baking arm like the camera loves you sweetie.
Yeah, near machine lots of James.
No,
yeah,
as we care that really like in fairness gone all
pure aid. It was pure aid.
Root for in the do to Zoolander lo material we go crazy mochoige na it in the petrol pumps.
They're changing 300.
It's raining men.
I guess it's just a squirt on fucking petrol. Hold on. Should we go in like need some carry pose I'm right, but okay. It can't feel with the ura.
Okay, yeah.
Tá post bug úranis ag Hugh na iRadio agus mar mu bugní fi sin gan písin ach Hugh ví tú 2FM le journey nos
V yeah
agus ní ma cho éidir go a riomh ma héal agus a bhí ma nar ví tú sa studio le an celebrity crush éidir nach a smooth amsa Laura Fox.
Feel like we'd go Hugh Carriage. I was like, this Dean Shammer leis. Yeah, no, ring man Claire la Laura and Shin, or we're on first name basis now. Ring man Claire la Laura and Shin, or in Donach, agus vi am or doigum. That she really jazz. The producers really jazz on. The in crack really jazz. Vi imagine on Gaira la Chella. Vi imagine on crack of oging la Chella. Just ain't that down to earth, whatever. Agus just vi am. Agus vi must meet you, Arthur James. I was like, but James really says that. Seanish agus mé just laugh I should be more in early hell like feel woman she a vision and fad the agus chance be my ration is gone well leis an Claire a yanu so you know better good Tori ma shout out that's better na you know higgling shiva her actor hella better
just abroad can finish Seansálaithe and then I was like oh agus tá lad like really gafalat me cosla the Instagram handle Tatu Foxy.
Oh, thank you. How sugum siguru like how sugum siguru to whole gaffale. You know, visa gum guru like it obviously is thing a caluli that she kind of air dancing with the stars gone well. You know, like visa gum guru thingy grow. You know, Samaku or JVC Yanu because maybe she Yanu or in television. He was just the car lot and shop. It was like gur Craig ma. It was been a castle gur Ringman Road is massive gonna relish. Garoma Galave, Aaron Clare shot. He was like, here, 1 second, like, you know.
But you know how I see Styre and show like a studio. The Hugh file chips. I can't throw the dirt James on their hands. She's just a trauma now, like, oh, and you credit him, Hugh, this Laura Fox, he says trauma like, he's like tapping her Clarsicky. I'm like, oh, jealous. Shouldn't ultimate celebrity crush.
Yeah. Like, look, like, Tawsam, she a cards of that. Blianta. So, look. Ní homeworker ma.
No.
Tás ná gluch tramporm.
Yeah. Agus go cartar.
Tá cartan. Tá ná glór folklore bh cartan. Ach ní homeworker ma. So lá mat géisle se mat a cup fóntéad bu Hugh. Ma bris is het bochar riomh.
Ráthir níl mar an gaile ceici go fáil. Jenna muid le ceachtaí gailge le le duna cinse go sí lífa go leor leis na seansaí.
Bhfuil éon iontasí tá an type a bhín sam na bhín me le
with a pulse, yeah, absolutely. Yeah.
Dúirt si gro do gaiirí ínta cute.
Yeah, bhí me jealous sin.
Well, okay.
Bhí some back
Seán rud though, right? But this is a canch le ban, right? Agus guarantee, oh my god, this is so cute. Ní héis, níl si the gurkart, this gurkart or no go to the year her no mar sin na go to castle la, you know, pit parst on chila. Like níl thing at a Gary a bit laugh. This is like, oh my god, we should go cute. Shin go like go jazz bug beachach, go cute mutzy wootsy cutie wooty you know? And Russian cute and Russian be on again.
Tá Gary cos le Jimmy Carr. I mean, there's a rat a good.
My uncle, yeah.
Jimmy Macula Cara.
Jimmy Macula Cara.
Shit, actually, cos Ainm to go naked. Oh, gael time.
Oh, Jimmy, Tony Macula Cara. Hey, you're from the fast.
Tá cool in this was chin go dor.
Tá sein Eagrán ar tá tap tight ar adapt.
So bhí sort Ainm caiim ran or their cheek rush like cute.
Wow, Shim's a good guy. Yeah, what the hell? Like Shim's a good guy size cute.
So ní vín tú gcóí dúchas a Jimmy Carr ach just uanta tagan sé ma in force.
Oh yeah. It's nuair nachfuil mas súil leis. Agus like base go mata de géisi leis an pádseo agus clusin tú meise gaire. They're yamsa kind of like a like shin like oh yeah, we should grammar whatever. But my yamsa and hyena, it's like her roast near mas súil la joke la chacht agus just hanig se mahas etching out agus just flace. But Harley should do in Shama Rangarov. Agus dúirt like Harlem like how she shot like dúirt like coganí lum agus dúirt really grammar lum agus go me se leor an Shama agus níró aon dinge leort níró aon dinge leort sí ag an am céirna. It was reached like screwdú like
a sure in van school.
Ar an van school, yeah.
So we do a dribload some a tosh but you know no muntri no so to gairy de biste.
Vi seo like an chuigú blian sílam. So ní Roma bhí se 6 Canada, you know, an art test but not really an art test. So bhí se Canada cool faoi buíos le dia. Because otherwise
Cool.
Fair play with le the cool a chuineal because like the air session lumsa bach ma láte. Bach ma láte seach ma hí gaan. Bach ma like just post in this map. Please stop. It's Laura.
Oh my god. Laura, stop.
Because hol sin rumse ag ciníe hug banatí hug sí compliment hom agus literally hosma stotral vi ma just vír ma an rud look.
Yes, sharing with Jeremy this thing.
Yeah, so like ní sam ceaching an because wa like fuck mar absolute putty a love na.
Yeah. No, my didn't come here dé der food tussen or was like yeah that kind of social stereotype go Gilgar your fog Gnesel and everything version
no Gregor even go go teach car look dahul agus chin dúir loma agus literally honig frog is seach I mo score noch vi mar
as Kehi dúirt sin leat
Louise Caitlin
band and fudge gaelic
yeah agus it was like you know like all-in scarlet, but like that you posted like Kong the hurlers as short as it.
Yes,
it's like they're a power couple for these. You know, like just never thought I got compliment them all. It's
my lads na brata Toki.
No, you should run the homewrecker, man.
Nah, Habershid. Should I end with this masker fade? James, do you do Ainm a tap past it?
No,
Brisha knows.
No, Mom, what the gay shot? I swear, more shingle look at on.
That we know.
No, even Roganeering last number Ashen. I've been do look at number.
Well, like
a Toki.
Like what's that like Ainm Rudawad agus Forman Lena Shaw with Mamma Mia 2. They visually please me. So toss some good to get that toss some so what about you know So cé Irish celebrity crush agus sí leor fach mu
Fair.
doubt
Sin cin anmhaid. Cin as Éireann.
Éireann was ceann éannach and then Éireann was ceann
Thar leor.
Mr. Worldwide.
Mr. Worldwide. Idir náisiúnta. As Éireann, ceist mai. Dearthing hain go má gafa le seo. Tá actually kind of idir náisiúnta dhéanamh dús bar, because tá actually tá déile. It's a really delí le thing amsú, like le Ainm in Éireann more dúirtmuid agus is stereotype é ach tá ahanlinge tá gobers na man really dehel. I mean, I fair like Seans commission, go to the gober agus it is gober our hands their Claire gorealta agus is their camera gorealta agus they're fucking do dingy gorealta. It's like, the shit's really cool. So Seans, but like it's roday agus carry like dingy like la Gaelic fasta. Listen, the tree ride is the genre shot and Caimara. You Caimara. So Jerry man can do national this bar.
The tractor bicycle is cars.
Boo! Zinger! Idirnáisiúnta tá mo chuna ra Maya Hawk bhfuil aithne go darí.
And is she sin an chalín atá is Stranger Things?
Yes.
In le Uma Thurman agus Knock. Going for the big bucks.
Oh yeah. Absolutely. Listen, you'll probably be all high celebrity that isn't coming from royalty. Do you know what I mean? Like, kai do or do bar, kai just jazz, kai just cool, kai just could be road whatever. Aching nam caring that, kai just an arrogant in the head,
That's a good go be she filed galore inheritance and then.
Oh God, yeah.
Or bar and and see libh tá eki hain anyway. So big a leor agad.
Me sé cuairú just na inheritances ar fad agus an dinge éarnach is Michael D. Higgins. Mar gar just
go on. Come on.
Kate and Gilf. You know what there's two?
Maker Dilf, Michael D. Higgins.
Oh no, well Gilf is Gilgord like
Zilf. Zaddy.
Is Gilfe. My far. Okay, hey. As Aaron tá chuna ra seo really dilly. Feck.
But I go dolly sin smuit you or Colleen air nach doil.
Seo no ten ommerca ahrú.
Yeah, actually you're
Sean pure couple can.
Oh wow.
Wow.
Oh wow. Owen Wilson, Sinead and celebrity crushes mo with Hogan. What not he seems cool,
He's aight.
He's aight. Owen Wilson?
Yeah, just aight.
Oh my god. Right, sorry. Tá really delay on show.
Hey, could I count into those stats? No, it comes back to you in the studio.
Just meet you, Shaw. I need to go into a ball and Shaw. Let's meet you.
So the birch air na hogum mar tan sin astorí dóile an tíir seo ag sin gur sin cuid den cúis go níirín có maithló America mar tá sa cuma éagsúlarthú.
Yeah.
Now siad le géint ag astrucht go maith, but is bralum Jamie Dornan.
Okay.
I mean,
yeah.
I know she can't.
I'm like, come on.
Obvious.
Yeah.
But come on, it's Jamie Dornan.
Agus Collins Olo.
Oh, Plasolu. Níl haru.
Sweep me off my feet, Jamie.
Go all 50 shades of me. Okay. As a get on a togum. Nah. As near hahan session sa luakime iglar televish file Cillian Murphy.
He's on to go Cillian Murphy. So Kesh Amert, was that the means you is Cillian like that? Is it raw Cillian as in Cillian or Cillian as in Cillian Murphy?
Dully at the reality and where to see the girl Megan Merchuk. I'm Magu. Ach, is Gilfay Cillian Murphy come on, Mart? Kalata, the couple of clip the Cillian Arlena egg Lorch a couple of focal Gaeliga.
God, him should go to go raw Garwalk again, no, Garanine, like good, that's Zoa.
No,
like as in granddad. It's what is more cool. Yeah.
Ach, the session gone that. There's an Adam Eckle at Peaky Blinders. Oh wow.
Yeah.
Wow.
Sharp jawline.
And oh my god.
Like what's an A4 page of your I'd say.
Yeah.
Tá dinge amsíogam. Tá cymnig gom ar céhíon, agus actually tá cymnig gom ar céin et gur hitmang ra leis an dinge seo, agus bhí se ag na iftas, nar bhí ma ag genú clúdú don et, befralam a bheith gopur. Bhfuil ma... No, nervhí man sin le Joe chum ringmuid aglah daoine agus ring aglah ar holtú faoin scannáin Lakeland a bhí in Éireann táin bhí se faoi lád a bhí buint leis an GA agus an príomh astar bhíon ag príomh bhean astar bhíon Daniel Gallaghan hánig Swiss English an craic agus bhí si ho jazz agus ho grammar agus ho dehel that I was like ringmuid an aglah agus just hunting má leis an then bhí genuine an aglah agus má leis Tá an gra agus mis mar ggéanna G mar ggéanna. So Daniel Gallaghan as Lakeland an astar te si an Doyle an Doyle. So argur shot is that
cuairtú na sure.
Arg Swiss ag na ifta so is féile eile an iwa a wacamise ar an red carpet. James. Oh yeah, the farther or the thing international. I hope it's a bit far the next.
Dinner international be my goni strachel seo because
níl a how barlog scale good. So ní rudí international.
Tá duine acu sáach is duine acu Americanach. So
but the lesser of both evils.
Yeah, like in Yemen call Americanach because like, you know, sauce fuck that. Sabrina Carpenter.
Oh, James.
Yeah. Does she gone to?
Yeah,
James.
Agus like Nurduchi was under that or like a nonsense.
Yeah, agus Janichi and Lagan nua da handle the cards.
Aaron Chi fui aiding that she was making the man's
go on
penis
go on
doubling. So she had a piece of yarn.
What?
Sorry. So piece out rude like that.
Oh my god, you were suit.
No.
Fi ma súil ke vi go red. You were súil go to hun an actual focal or red. Do cap go to hun. Well, it's a raw wall on this.
Well, like she's dirty. Like should I look at TikTok? Should I look at TikTok as hulle oud. Njachi car nu. As go dirty rutgis nu. Hits man die smooth all eyes. Dus maar look Sabrina. Ta man cho. Ta man na the huller dat the raw a yonder. A piece of god it's big arm.
Oh my god.
It's really hen Dua Lipa though. It's just
na Dua Lipa.
Yeah, I thought she go into that. It looked like Shin nís aligned leis on was that Laura Fox agus a chin dog a chin the Sabrina Carpenter
just cost a J
just
sorry didn't see you shade your job
need a fucklon it's just
sorry a chickling lord fee and feckin tornado in Leitrim I read the seachtainí.
Yeah.
Sorry, could you the tarless sit down?
Malayan tarlin Leitrim though. Like
yeah,
the what tornado got bull aiding in that video.
Jerry shouldn't get roundabout to be criú though.
Yeah, me should force convinced good through of even more leaf blowers.
As we should just get to a drama
But Sally a Gary Venu dot like Sally there was an announcement in Ober and Eagrán agus bheith Arthur at ni fairlam dul shot am a car briste came for the tornado in Mo Sraith like yeah ha very funny like that shot just crackled to though
Murphy Jean bunch the hach grow
yeah we Chris actually didn't
yeah we should the rod the grand not mean tornadoes
and
well got bean couple can agus kin bo bidagi as the gra turn she'd hariske big was an Ashtuck or hardy shit is the Amalia just a dog she that video and radio was like oh well like nothing we could have done about it like the creator both those Leitrim gone chafuck yoku because we're gonna kind of like yeah well ni hardly che rovidic so blacklash you know go and tall in knocked Arlie Jahan law just didn't come from America you know
didn't keen to get raw as an open on him not just shach in your cardio wada spinach sauce on air because the film this is the end or be much
There's just weird you better cautious it's got on Twister right with the version you know like feel like the killer tornadoes that have the gulf or what come you get to what come you give shit or the little vampire
yes oh my god we make gaffa
what come you get to the little vampire and rud a bhí on na bhí Seafóid and Ladbug Shaw a bhí that became a little vampire obviously but ag Jeru and Scannáin being like tornado ag chase agus te just land like ball but becha that are also vampires so it's just like being the becha shaw le súla jarga and then I think it not beach like ag etchel faster like tagging to the mahas and tornado in the ocean
yeah my alligator eeltogid na vampires come I
yes
yeah so currently chihanner the hand vi shaw because the Scannáin is crackalchi walk me Rio heal mission
oh no
tash funny she show kidsert crushes a bhí agam mar fáiste. Síl me se grow little vampire ínta cute.
And little vampire I hang.
Yeah, and lad an Greek Gorka. I was like, he's a goth, like he's a bad boy.
Oh my
So
god.
the childhood crush Hugh currently.
I mean, the arc of the lad shop up cos le Hugh. Be great, like be great.
Little
Actually,
emo
that's
boy.
actually get to a cos le emo biog Harry Styles.
Okay.
Yeah.
It's going on Fear Hill when on the cartoon.
Fear Hill, yeah.
Fear Hill.
Well, it was like CGI examination and
Yeah.
like 2000 CGI faster, so
okay,
Arkansas milchna.
Yeah.
But Frela may have other reach though,
Yeah, tá
because
sílam go share Netflix.
the CV car ogamsa agus bhí agur DVD, but an rudin yarnamud was gur just covered much in the scenes chéanna ó scannáin an DVD. So it was Jared the Little Vampire. It was Van Helsing fecig of.
Yeah.
No,
Yes,
whole
Kirk
lot
Killian's
loads for you.
brewer marketing.
James, both is a gaffel of Van Helsing. Hugh Jackman, ag Maru vampires, and everyone is like drop dead gorgeous as the young.
Oh, okay.
Idir
Sounds like-
Fergus mar
yeah,
a hannig
okay.
absolutely galanta. But the part on we'll come good near tagging and werewolf ma.
Yeah.
Because Tashin shot like a straw who had skin. Meshugas Mahar, we thought it was the coolest fucking thing. Agus Fasta and Shin and Dara Lord of the Rings canon or better chance in Treekin and Darakin and Kin La Helm's Deep. You know when that is a girl like go like Treekin arm James.
You lost me, Lord of the Rings. So
Tá Lord of the Rings feici ogumsa.
Yeah.
Níl ahan scene feici ogumsa.
And Kogu Allworth is
Oh,
the
yeah,
star in Scott.
yeah.
Listen, and when they have to hold the wall, like in
Yeah.
Baltimore or whatever, and Rarshin, just Vimage of Gurkishin to reach. Knock the Lord of the Rings fact go good, James.
no,
Rio.
no.
Madness.
Tá sin crackada. Ach look, Níl Harry Potter like feici.
Oh, so yeah,
Ogumsa,
yeah.
so-
Well,
Fish shite though.
Yeah,
so
ní
it's
feici
sort of-
answer.
Don't.
Ní feici answer.
Tá job bháin ag bhirt agam sin nolag seo.
Harry Potter?
James Kaitos
Ní Harry Potter feici
Lord
answer.
of the Rings like mar wrote the coní faoi clock. Ní ná si feici agad. Agus Kaitos a arc ar na Harry Potter's like.
Ní ma hunch I want to tell you right now.
Lei sin bheith mar bhaint na nolag dú. Ní gad ru a bhí ceannach dú.
But for all umse
Yeah.
brand new in the Harry Potter so far, because Nisha feici answer nerd.
Not back.
Ta beef answer Harry Potter, right?
Yeah.
Basically just beef on this picture on, but so we should go for Harry Potter like twos. Yeah, we should school on the Chretvian in my first knees. Hate paid of him like, oh my god, it's Mr. Harry Potter.
He's literally me.
Yeah,
Cos of Ryan Gosling.
Tá scar tap mo chloig in the show. Tá is much den kill. Inch ma urkin tell ik gewoon man scar show because there's a grand refreshing.
Want to know how I got these scars?
You can't handle the truth. Ach, chin, we must brother the three skull capping.
Okay.
We must so more that if man brother ma har vi on agus. So being 100 on like, okay, fine, nach meet the Brandon Harry Potter's like, fine, nach act to look at you make around. Look. We ticket booked online Ainm. Ek should go back them leer nog net. Wat had het doe ik zie. What niet meer them nog goed hebben nog.
Oh wow.
Yeah. So was that online tickets weren't a thing. I think it was cool ahead of the time, Connemara, you know.
Oh yeah. Near to anything in the population in Rio, Connemara and ahead of the time. Had there anything in Rio?
Like to myself, Saulu Nishgrahani and Pictor Linishta an Laurie Hugh.
No. Oh, Honig, yeah, Honig,
Yeah,
100%, yeah. Ach, so we must the brother of so come back can galve, you know.
Oh,
Treat
big
yourself. Agus
Cool van. They all jumped in.
brother ma Harvian, agus so come to stach agus come to stach you doris, churd go come off, mahina popcorn sweet, churd all good.
Geru and Paul and popcorn and shit.
We must hear cool. We must see gaan eng doch retse ma. And then time you mach as skuna mus, ma we 5 bond in the tickets.
What?
So we in the traders at Tossi. So
Yeah.
time you mach mus, ma we 5 in the tickets. I guess we like all shebang. To be honest, any subsidy could be told. And then sudzede shit. Oh no, these are showed action the tickets carte. So squish the look shach rishmus. We lachwer kon skuna imi. Agus we must. Ik get two fad kon skuna. Agus oh hun ma. You know what, Harry? Go fuck yourself. You might go to brand new really
Octon look there, I'm guessing the IMC. Not by
No, it's an
I. Oh.
Yeah.
Nah, nearly nerm.
But like, when we like, you know what, Harry, we run mahang, it's coming Kiachi Griechmen too.
Gas.
we are no longer friends.
Well, tá mé se go sinna athú, just like chéidir eile go tú ag go chat me chun Harry Potter ar chuair arsúil. Ní creidim nach bhac sibh a ré séar na nólagaí bhí si de gcónaí ar RTE.
Well, bhí me traumatized, so...
I don't want to see it!
Bhí me just from transported rascally 13-year-old me bheith queen ag front in the cinema.
Se go go scannaú fáiste ar television, ca dún cané leathrú legra.
Oh, it's a brutal.
In fairness, right, is sé Harry Potter and dara scannáin is fearr. And dara scannáin is fearr. Ever hín is ein scannáin eile. I'd rather watch ein scannáin eile seachas tá Harry Potter. Sin, níl má chun iad a chuir.
Tá sé aisteach dó, efir me sin goróirintí, tá sé aisteach nach ach má Harry Potter fully I riamh ná Lord of the Rings really, because like bhí má gafa le Marvel. So
Yeah.
it's just kind of so genre.
Agus is commitment a wad níos mó é scannáin Marvel.
Yeah.
Nah, you know,
Yeah.
even dar chavid to an extended cuts tá Lord of the Rings or fad whatever. Sin go fáil like trí na ceair scannáin Marvel like a bunch of shot like this.
Tá mé se denú na scannáin sin chronological order fi láthair.
Oh gee.
Marvel.
Like chun dark mé fiú ar Edward Norton Hulk, like tá much really a genuine deep dive an or seo. Ach I caiint ar na celebrity crushes níos luithe. Tá na féras galanta na scannáin Marvel.
Yeah. What talks them raw?
Paul Rudd.
Agus muing is sí an Shaw James is thrágóil na fearr ar fád galantas.
Dú just got raw. Actually, tá bhach má Cash actually. So
let him cook.
Tá bhach is good on Marvel as bha cadagaí a bheith mar aon superhero in Marvel. Cén ceann na mach sin?
Thanos. Easy.
Wow.
Sin cool.
Okay.
Sin, you know what, sin fragile cool. Fuck.
It's a lot as cut as a don't like you know. Can't fucking
Yeah, I could say an dinas massas doine.
He had good.
Ach, roch cinál ceart ige dó.
Ooh.
I mean, we shall roll ruthless we.
Yeah. Ach, you know.
Asper root of vegan nation. Sin ro the captain's ahead. Faoi Thanos.
Go ahead, give us stage or Burla
Muska, go Malashka, please.
Sin cean ínta dulí le fagart. Tá cuid the scannon as being crustal omer, he'll make a jocklo job of one is very low, cause like Captain Marvel.
Yeah.
Like she should ask for call Kuata and he's okay to show Gary on nerdy to show.
Yes.
In the graphic novels.
Yeah. Well, in the original six image run.
Ooh, fassa than scannon.
Yeah.
Oh right, yeah.
So provide him like bitter shinny no Akiano Gart.
Yeah. Yeah.
As bushy the waddy smoke down. Or if you could stick a kai she'd fee or in Scotland.
Agus Tessa Vey more Captain Marvel.
Oh,
Yeah.
oh, absolutely.
Yeah.
Tá mó fragras ní se got éonach roiin ar airs má because tá bhach má mar astor agus tá bhach má sin scoil Marvel is seo an fearr it's in rochma.
Ant-Man, obviously.
Ant-Man,
Oh,
yeah.
it's so hot.
It's because of the height. Shouldn't have fly.
You know what? You know what it we was looking at us again all day Hugh. Agus this can't shinner.
Demisha ho Thursa. Oh, do you know Charlotte agus ní bheith aon ab the seo eáil, right? But mar jaall go muid actually sa seamra céarna inis.
Yeah.
Tá má thuirt Críiste dá James an seo inis ar an air.
Agus you wouldn't mind ach ik lees má cos le Hugh fresin tá má cá spécla is choir ding.
There's a match on you. Oh, good.
Tá má leis ag thuirt Críiste dá Ainne ag microphone.
I got the shine.
Can I imagine like audio captioning in or in pod just around the whole. You'll feature be the Sean Foster, you know, so kind of Jenny Kinch.
Spare who I Arker picture gone to Ur.
Oh yeah, boy. Yeah, boy.
Agus so go back to film franchises. So do ever hear na Harry Potter? Agus do ever hear na Lord of the Rings? About?
Ooh, I'd say about Back to the Future and franchises Fairlam.
Such a nerd.
Tasha da ratchet.
I'm a hipster.
No, then Cat Scannon is like the perfect film. Can't doubt her be. Do you know what Walkish in the Ruddish in her letterbox or TikTok after it's like the letterbox top 4 Walkish of Shaw and rather than Yanin is good change it. So we'll also have Callie and Steve letterboxed.
No.
Oh wow, you are very different circles on that show. Just the
need to walk if Tish can show it.
Well, I'm also good than Steve Goodreads.
Yes.
I'm also good than Steve Goodreads.
I think so.
Laura. Yeah, exactly.
Yes, yeah.
I guess fairly the rank. So it's Rud Cairn the Achlahai Scannon.
Tom and live.
Just about. It's a Rud Cairn the Achlahai Scannon. I guess ta Steve Aku's ta app Aku. I guess ta Contas TikTok is on with Aku. I guess changes take red carpets. Da Scannon. I guess currently Kesher and the Ashtori cadíad na scannáin is fearr lá, what is their top 4 scannáin mar sin cedrod a bhecinn tú ar an siomh ar bhaile a clúisteil cad iad mó top 4 ar mó rud.
As go smaoine gomer smaoine.
Ever an cad cinna ógamsa ná Back to the Future. Captain Gabay and Scannon is Furfa, Sedon. And Darnakin is Fatal Deviation and Scannon Airna Kung Fu at Ho Alk Gosha, absolutely hilarious. Street Fighter 1994, which is Jean-Claude Van Damme, a Colonel Gosha, more all-American hero. Agus Tesha, absolutely hilarious. Tesha ho iconic. Agus Iver Kehar na Blade Runner 2049, which is actually just genuinely like Tesha just that Agus Beam McQueen, Ahanam Beam McGurker. But Ta definitely mar jarrant the two of these are not like the other. A heard no. I thought this on just car scanning around Caddy in the car scanning. That wrote this earn carpet jarg. Agus two more Captain Marvel in the Shania.
See, Mohi manish fi vru agus Mohi no ni me con cuivnu er could in the kind of sfarlum agus me con cup can fiok na maybe sausage. Yeah. There's witchy mer ni sterney. So me just con couple can spit on lama agus fecking would good Harleen.
Yeah.
Actually, Dark Mash are rare. Nightmare Before Christmas.
Deadly, unreal.
Tasha co vai like tasha just co different or rudder ella. Agus tan alien co special dan tan a horror on tan.
Agus just garage fast.
Yeah, tasha actually jerk an odd cart.
Scanner odd.
Borfa.
My hot take.
Chuig Harry Potter. Harry Potter Ordered the Phoenix.
Okay.
By far, Sprallam Dumbledore's army is either like a train up. I don't know what chef you. Well, if you get to that fact, you got.
I've already tuned out.
Okay, well, as I said, a Cador could come being trade to take Dumbledore as Voldemort. So, Kai may Idicus Curve, honest to God. Wow. Sorry, Evertree. Baz Luhrmann's Romeo and Juliet.
Oh yeah.
Espralum Shakespeare. Espralum Skelta Gra. Espralum Leonardo DiCaprio.
Okay, yes.
Bahar Hinnervisha Og. Agus San Scottish and go clish to come out and doig name sheet search. Rod new come helesh, you know. So yeah, Shinkanako. Agus God ni melb to sweet you.
Can I go on? Who are they Yanu?
Oh God. Beidir could be okay me Radag and Nolagul just for the sake of it. White Christmas.
Oh,
classy. Current I'm going to do fast niece you know, dad are going to Cassie, Shan Keol, Frank Sinatra, Bing Crosby, Nat Cole, Dean Martin, all the greats.
Rat Pack.
Rat Pack, unbelievable. Because just being our darker, I hadn't watching Nulla being sure RTE. So just react that.
Shin Michelle, It's a Wonderful Life. Shin Scannon, Chad Deadly. James ta an simogum or cad to la high the hodge. James gonna be like, remember the Titans. Dear John.
Spartacus.
Shout.
The Holiday. No, go on.
Look. No, Kim James like honey she demand like an Uri.
No. Something is deep now.
My magu.
Or is a comedy show with comedies, it's brought the more comedies. Comedies, movies, branda, but need comedy. It's the top 4 in it. So comedy show was good. Step Brothers, good. Zoolander, always good. Like The Hangover.
Yeah, golden.
Even a cat. So I'm just going a bit of a. Can't let journey into Christmassy.
Okay.
The Greatest Showman.
Yeah, to the Gafflish and Scottish.
Yeah. Oh, what a soundtrack. Da bhach man ná ó just an damsa dhéanaan Zac Efron agus Hugh Jackman dhéanana. Oh, what a class.
I feel like just right. Nelson came so Neil and Scannon fucking right? Okay. Agus I know go out some go on, like some do go on.
Yeah.
But if I'm sure he ma Tomlahain, agus vi like karaoke show and it was all like these lads like Dr. Costa was like Quig and Shask whatever. It was all these dads like absolutely blasting The Greatest Showman.
Yeah.
Should gaffalish.
Carter Fadaku.
Greatest Showman and dads it's costing than Venn diagram to shits in like GRSLR it's carefully a thing to gaffala Greatest Showman this is their fod like thing it is the Shaskaji Agus James sorry
Agus Misha and then Norvis was brand new and just more ahar sees a conyals just a fear Ske fá go the casa chud a háú mat.
Tá urgent CGI sa scanan sin.
Yeah.
An céidir gwac mé hahan se go mórlam mar tá na hór an go catchy ach inis current stahar man made CGI tan cos archer Aquaman. A se peanware you're like oh tá mé just grí fear aige agus fear set.
Tá chudr is gona tá grán tá you know, fearr bocht on sus agus dinnes riches agus chulad agus that cards of, you know, cards is on agus chulad, you know, oh, just cool agus chulad. Oh, gets me going.
Oh wow.
So greatest showman, Cad actually.
Okay.
So Cad. If it's 3, I would go Shutter Island.
Oh wow.
Another
Okay.
Leo.
Yeah. I think like blew my mind. Vima. Oh, Vima hug off like I Japan got actually in the Honeyman Scolanchen Erdus. Hima is Shummer Lumhain if I would like or cared a harlock on my heel and shit like Kirchi harlock 100 chin. Dochretsma. Every though law abiding citizen. Yeah, so the Michigan suits hospital like a bun.
Oh wow.
Yeah. So law abiding citizen. Yeah. Unbelievable.
Bhí sin ahan etla Tom. Couldn't be like in trailer sin like ahan we sure ahan quick one which are like our skies and whatever. We just
not like do as much law abiding citizen at a patch Hannah agus from the asteroid completely make it. So just that's sin. This tells him kid on. Jared Butler agus Jamie Foxx.
Yes.
Yeah.
Me caters it was like Samuel Jackson.
Came go Denzel Washington agus I think a bit Hugh Jackman.
Yeah, I think of it. Yeah, you've got Jackman on the brain. Shaw and Hype.
Agus Ivid Hean, The Dark Knight.
Really?
If you Mr. Rudy so good to color around, I think it's like Bridget Jones' Diary.
Barbie.
Sorry, yeah.
Sublime.
Is this a Ken Miguel?
I just beach.
Ryan Gosling, celebrity Coachella.
Oh
yeah, oh fact.
But Dark Knight, yeah, Kevin.
The Dark Knight, like Christopher Nolan, like Killian Murphy, Sean.
Yes, that were Jim Bush's Darnakin,
yeah, Scarecrow.
Yeah.
Oh, it's a Batman Mo franchise. Like goes on. Yeah. It's just even some more nerd cars got forcing use my guys. So like Batman was everything. Like I heard got for the Batman version, so was like it was like Batman agus James Bond on the films fad bhí mar ahar agus mai héin go agus is gona.
Sorry.
As I say go mystery force Batman agus mar ahar before James Bond. Agus it does help with James stamp to the bird saying so.
Sorry, we just had there's to grow the ahar gaffle of Batman. Just had Ewa Michin da like of like the Dark Knight Shulhart or Connemara or whatever. Like talking in sauce was Har or the pub or whatever, and it's like Batman a bit like
just my hair agus Mr. Jin roll on she's more Robin Book and tries to kill
the flirt and that's jumping Jilligers. It's like boy dead and vet and tussle ski and lar
and
well to able to glór Bain you know a microphone as the Lornish from Dalman Sargent
and can Bain like in Batman
but that's not like that Batman. This not Bane either.
And which couldn't like script reading again in the show.
I'm Batman.
Batman Chikosla.
I was born in that.
Batman Kosla.
Where is she? Where is she? Where is she? Where is she? Come she? Bane. Come she? Kill her show. Give them what you paid. I was no. I was born in the darkness.
No, sorry. It's because my buckler came a head. This commerce came a head.
Can't fucking left.
Maybe a Gosney scored my fucking goal.
No, because we're that dog. The lad dogs these the Batmobile. We might actually then be in though.
Oh my god,
I don't think it will.
To my glory, me.
You merely adopted the dog. This is Casa like ooh la la.
Yeah, it's like you know fancy. It's like
Neil filter.
They were two a Bane.
Bane Arena.
Ach na crackle to your fucking virtue going scannáin le Leonardo DiCaprio. Well, you should go crackle to mar. Stuff fluid the gente Leonardo DiCaprio. Be check. Oh my, like the beach.
Yep.
Sin ain't the Departed.
Yeah, it's just the country version Inception, like
yeah.
You know, kind of
well, that's not really Lua, but
yeah, I know, but like it's another like mind melt.
Yeah. Well, chuig blian Jago, basically. So yeah, you old.
Ní a sconan sin a bheith zem líana Eleni sinna agus be an go a date le Leo.
That's Cambridge Jerry le Sean this is solar the gender rebrand agus tá much fáil súd le Leonardo DiCaprio sin na mé Jenny. Sinné an agad seo an seansaí gur míid a bh géisiart ling a ríis agus gur maiid acht an takeíad ar fád le in na bliana tá chart Swiss dear na bliana, which is crazy. Agus tá chart Swiss heag céad Eagrán don show. Seans go ring it inta jazz le Jenny lei sin bé le fecail wat game jam the man host much earn the Seansaí ar Instagram, the Seansaí ar Twitter agus the Seansaí ar YouTube.
No new.
Oh, Damager Jean. Oh, sorry. Would you Gabber and Ainm or
Instagram with the branda, so Seansálaithe.
Okay, but there's a gent already. A bunch and then Seansálaithe a Hannah agus mas the game with Amshu or Criú the which podchraoladh Spotify, iTunes, Anchor, fucking
Spotify for podcasters,
Google Play, and like
YouTube.
Yeah, Twitter, YouTube, Boston. Agus YouTube. But the Gary Ainm Amsterdam the man hosted. That's more anywhere or Instagram, anywhere or Twitter, agus anywhere or TikTok. But the Gary James Amsterdam the man hosted. That's more flahar tach or Instagram, flahar tach or Twitter, agus flahar tach or TikTok. Is Kermit Nask he contest Tinder so you fast. It's the show notes. Just go to non Alan shin gugasta. Agus with the Gary Mahan Amsterdam the man hosted them more Hugh Carr here or Twitter, Hugh Carr here or Instagram, agus just grab Hugh Carr or TikTok. Well, Ainm with that game to plug out and there's solar chain majoritaire. I mean solar current with Jerry Lynn Claire.
Gail Gary.
Sorry, yes, there was a gig Gallimar. Sorry, Tim, a new show, Gail Gary and chéanna da na mean the nog or in Sahern, club con in the Gaelic Biggie Ling, by crack or die on, and was if a mission on, was if she non chalk.
No. Come in ever heard them a granny because the mo do he's
so. That mission got a. Ich je fornje, ich ga ruwe, en het is aring, so that law more. Olchan zijn agus da Christmas party er toch niet zo freshen so ma chonig toe man tachtensja nu ma chap toe go weg toe man tachtensja noni akke noni wekje agus please na laurlum le cooperschaft in the
there be delation in camera go to rag to her date right if you got a date or Sarah and I was like Higgin got the cord got the should I that Eagrán the Seansaí gur why was looked ling agus been rash reach the shot show you Eagrán or the Seansaí so long